Welcome to the DELTAoverC training videos. Today, we are going to learn how to complete the check-in on the Engage, Change, and Transform applications on MS Teams. Manager check-ins are completed by those assigned as managers of a change campaign. It allows these frontliners of the organization or of the change initiative to keep track of their team's progress, gather feedback, and take note of action items per individual or team as a campaign moves forward. Open your Engage, Change, or Transform applications on MS Teams. On the menu, click on Home to open the list of tasks you need to complete. As you can see, this week, the manager is due to do a user check-in and a team check-in. Click on User Check-in to bring up the list of people on your team who are due for a check-in. From this list, you can either click on the name to continue with the check-in or click on Skip to pass on doing a check-in for this particular user at this time. Clicking on Skip will bring up a list of reasons for skipping this user. You may click on any of these reasons or provide your own. Click on Yes, Skip to continue skipping on this user, or the Cancel button to continue with the check-in. Clicking on the username will bring up a list of assessment questions. Answer the questions with the emoji that corresponds with your assessment of how this user is dealing with the campaign. Under the questions, you also have 3 action options and a space to list down any notes that you may wish to add. Managers may use these notes for future reference so that progress may be tracked during the campaign. Click on Submit to save this check-in. On the main check-in window, you will now see the status of the user as checked in after you submit. Repeat this process for the remaining members of your team. To do a team check-in, click on Team from the main window. From here, click on Team Check-in. This will bring up a list of questions that you will mark according to your assessment of the team's progress at this point in the campaign. This window also has space for any notes you may want to make. Date entry would be the date of your meeting with the team when you assess their adoption of the change. Click on Submit to complete this check-in. On the main check-in window, you will now see the status of the team as checked in after you submit. And that's how your managers can track their check-ins on their members and their teams using the Engage, Change, and Transform applications on MS Teams. For questions, please reach out to our training and client management team through onboard at DELTAoverc.info.